These are some incredible watch choices for any gender. They're at different prices, they're different styles, and they're all cool watches that you can wear for the rest of your life. The first one is the Original Surf watch. It's marketed as that. It's sold on the Freestyle website and it comes in all these different colors. It's one of those watches that looks even cooler the more you use it. When it starts to look a little faded or worn out, I think that's the right time. I don't have one yet just because I haven't decided what color I want. They're really, really fun colors, and I don't really know people in real life who have them. I think that might be because everyone likes the G-Shock. Maybe we should talk about the G-Shock next, yeah. The G-Shock is like that watch that will survive the zombie apocalypse. It is very, very resilient. You could probably throw it out of a window and it would be fine. They have a baby G-Shock series, which is adorable. I have a pink one that my friends gave me. It's battery powered. Will also survive a zombie apocalypse, but also look cute. I have to mention the Panther. It's been popular in so many different situations for people of different genders. I used to have one. I got it in the color that I thought would suit me the most, but it wasn't actually my style. I really, really, really miss that watch a lot, but I don't miss it in that color combination. Fingers crossed, hopefully one day I'll get to reveal my new watch and it'll be either all steel or all gold. Secretly, I actually really want both. And it's just like such a gorgeous thing. I have a very strong opinion about how it should be worn on a smaller wrist, and not everyone will agree with me. I think it's really more of a bracelet than a watch. It was designed more to be a bracelet, and so I actually believe in wearing all of the links on the bracelet. The next watch I want to recommend if you have a smaller wrist is the Oyster Perpetual by Rolex. I didn't put Datejust here. As a watch person, I'm like very strongly opinionated about the Datejust, and I feel like the Cyclops is like very classic, but it doesn't actually look good because it messes up the symmetry of the watch. The dial where the date is like this stark white color that usually doesn't look good on the watch, and so it's really cool if you want that classic Datejust look, but if you don't care about that look, then I think symmetry is way better and wins every time. And on the Oyster Perpetual, if you get a 31 millimeter, that's gonna be dainty but still have a presence on a small wrist. And then the 28 is adorable. It's just a fun watch that I put in the thumbnail that I think is gorgeous and unobtainable is the Vacheron Constantin 1921 driver's watch. And as you can see, if you're driving with a watch, it's easier to read because all of the numbers are tilted and rotated a little. So when your arm is at an angle, you can read the watch. This watch comes in pink gold, but it also comes in white gold. And that's why it can go with any gender. And it's made by possibly the longest running uninterrupted watchmaking company. Vacheron Constantin was founded in 1755, and it is part of the Holy Trinity of watches, which includes Audemars Piguet, which makes the Royal Oak, and Patek Philippe, which is said to be the king of watches at this point in history. There's the watch video that I've always wanted to make, and have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Bye.